Team Valley Loop Tutorial, how to visualise going to and leaving the Team Valley from the A1 to Kingsway North and back. First of all, we'll join the A1 heading south, mirrors, indicate left, approaching the junction, at the giveaway line look to the right, and if there's nothing there, emerge and join the accelerating lane. Heading down the hill, the sign tells us that the lanes are thin, indicating to the right. Sign shows that we're going to join into the main carriageway. Look to your right blind spot and emerge onto the A1, maintaining the road speed as we go along. The next junction is the A184 heading into central Newcastle, but we're not taking this one. We're heading towards the Team Valley. The next sign warns that the 3 lanes are going to be joined by a 4th lane coming from the A184 from Newcastle. We're heading for the Team Valley on the B1426, so we'll be crossing over the lane as it emerges. Check the mirrors, left blind spot, and when it's safe to do so, move across into the left hand lane. We're going to turn left at the next junction, but there's 2 ways to do that. You can do it from the right lane or the left lane. The first part of the video shows how to do it in the right lane, and later on we'll show how to do it in the left lane. Mirrors indicate left. Approaching the junction, let's wait for the traffic lights to change. Let's make progress, continue to indicate left. It lets the traffic behind you know which direction you're going. Cancel the indicator as you come off the junction. Heading down the hill in the right hand lane. We're following the directions for Team Valley Retail World. The road markings signify you can turn right in either lane. On this occasion, we're going to stay in the right hand lane. Approaching the roundabout, look to the right, emerge if it's safe, continue to indicate right, approaching the traffic lights. Notice there is a large vehicle to the left hand side of us. Emerging, look left, indicate left, and because we've got space we can move into the left hand lane and make progress down Kingsway. We're going to turn left down 3rd Avenue. At the end of 3rd Avenue at the crossroads, turn left up Queensway North. We're going to start looping back towards the A1. Look to your right. And when it's safe, we'll emerge and make progress up the road up to the very end. Centre and left mirror then indicate, and left onto Lobley Hill Road. Move to the right to avoid the bus lane and turning right at the roundabout. The roundabout is unusual because it has a bus lane cut straight through the middle of it. And as you exit the roundabout, you often see drivers driving up into the bus lane, even though it is clearly marked. So you see the bus lane on the right, don't go up there. Progress round the roundabout. In the rear view mirror you can see a bus is approaching, and as it enters the road going up the hill, it cuts to the left into the bus lane. You must not drive up that bus lane. We're not indicating left here because we're not moving into the left lane going up Lobley Hill Road. We're staying in the right lane because at the roundabout at the top we're going to turn right and rejoin the A1. Mirrors, signal right as you approach the junction. But approaching Lobley Hill Road in a different lane this time.